the rage here, so I want to do a quick unboxing of this iPhone 15 unlocked and renewed. So my dad broke his phone. He was like, I don't want a new one. I just want like a renewed one. You know, he got those before. He got, had luck with it. So it comes with a cable, which is not the Apple cable, but it comes with a cable. And it comes with the phone in this little case. And so far, look at that. It looks pretty new. Has a little sticker in the back with just a barcode. I'm gonna remove that because Amazon doesn't like when we show barcodes. So, I mean, yeah, it came with no fingerprints, but now there's mine over there. So I don't see any scratches or anything like that. And seeing pretty good condition, so it's very new. I mean, maybe like a little, tiny dot over here, but that's it. I mean, the lens are all good, all perfect quality, so all clean. Starts up, which is good. I'm gonna run some tests on this, and there it is. I gotta configure it, but so far seems to work just fine. And need to charge a battery. Battery's low already, so we'll definitely do that. I'll do the setup for my dad. Big screens and all that. So, but yeah, I'm gonna plug this in, charge it, transfer his data. Hopefully, I can pull the data off his old phone because it's all smashed. If not, I would just pull from the iCloud, but very good quality, and certainly worth the savings if you ask me. So take care, guys, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick unpacking. It's not a real unboxing. I mean, it came in a box, but it's just a generic certified box. Says it's being tested, sanitized to highest standards, software is being updated, and satisfaction guaranteed with a limited warranty. So, we'll see how that works out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoy making for you guys, and take care. Peace.